I'm Laura, I'm a street dance teacher. I decided to attend the seminar today due to lack of motivation for my advanced junior classes. They were getting a bit bored, I felt I wanted something fresh, and then I come upon this on Facebook and I thought I'm going to give it a go. Yes, it did exceed my expectations massively, from like confidence to mindset to energy, the communication within the pupils that you have in your class, yeah, massively. If I was to recommend this to a friend, I would say go for it. Travel 4 hours if you have to. It is the best workshop I've ever attended and I've gained more than what I thought I'd get. So I would highly recommend this for anyone and anyone's ability. If they don't do for street dance, then don't worry, come anyway.